Hey guys, what's up? I hope you people are safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Madhu and I welcome you people to my channel Madhu Yadav Talk. With the very unpleasant news that we came across in the recent days about Sushant Singh Rajput killing himself, many of us are unable to accept the fact that the star is no more and many of us are still in the trauma. All of this is because even if you can watch one movie of him, you would still start taking this to be like a personal loss because he was such a star. And from then I saw many people talking about mental health, depression and all of that. So today in this video I'm going to tell you what might be the exact reason for the star to go to so much of pain that at a point of time he felt like killing himself was much easier than leading a life of such. And also I'm going to tell you how exactly your approach towards life should be, how exactly you're going to deal with your ups and mainly your downs. So if there are anyone who have ever felt like as if they are going into very low phase of life or started treating yourself to be like a zero, I want you people to watch this video from the beginning till the end. And if there are any of you who have never been into any such phase of life, I still want you people to watch this video because life is very uncertain. Just think, a boy from a small town struggled all the way up. He did everything that was under his control. He chose the script wisely. He did only those movies that can have positive impact onto the society. He kept his sweat and soul for the perfection of the role. And he had actively participated in many programs, be it Sushant for Education as a part of his efforts to help out many students over there. He had did many quiet contributions. He had contributed 1 crore rupee to the state of Nagaland, which many pampered Bollywood stars doesn't do it these days. And the thing is, all of these things came into limelight only after his demise, because all this while the paparazzi might be busy clicking the pictures of some stupid stars, or they might have been constantly listening to someone who is trying to hamper the growth of Sushant. And keeping all these things apart, one thing that really boils my blood is I read out an article wherein it was framing Sushant to be a mental patient. I mean, like, don't you think all these things itself brought the star into a position wherein he felt like killing himself and he's no more today? I'm telling you this with a very heavy heart that the moment I got to know that Sushant is no more, I simply rushed near my TV and I said only one thing, that is like, Arey yaar, it would be better that this person has continued in television industry itself. I'm not justifying the fact that whatever Sushant did is correct. I mean, like, all that I would like to tell you people is it takes lot of courage, you know, it takes lot of rigor and courage to take that extreme step to end your life. I mean, like, these people took away all his films, all his signed contracts have been taken away from him. These people did everything that could hamper his growth. These people have made him in a position wherein if you tell that he is a useless, he will treat that yes, he is a useless. Today I find many celebrities stating that yes, he went through depression and all of that, and one thing that surprises me to core is no one took a step to at least try to help out that star to get out from that depression and all. And all his signed movies were taken away. These people try to hamper the growth of him. Today I'm telling you, I saw few footages or the interviews of him wherein the star, every word, I feel every word and all the pain that he has went through in few of his interviews. And I saw almost all the posts which he has uploaded whenever his fans used to respond. He used to respond to them stating that I have made you people all my gods and fathers and I want you people to watch my movie. I mean, like, just understand, a star who is a star in himself, who did great movies, who you know, you don't have to watch all the hundreds and hundreds of movies of a star to make sure that you give a name that this person is a star. One movie and one particular thing, like how exactly he involves into the character, makes a person a star. And I'm telling you, you don't have to watch all the movies of Sushant to tell him whether he's a star or not. One movie, one dialogue is enough. And you know, today it's not so easy that we come out from this, because the thing is, the star is of such. Let's take an example that you are a superstar, okay? You expect people to come to you to offer you the movies and all. How hard it would be for you when you walk to some production house asking them for the work, you know. It's very dampening, it's very sad, and you know, that person went through a lot of trauma because all of these things. I saw wherein he was walking onto the ramp and people called him, come back, and again he went, again people started calling him, come. And there are many such award shows as well wherein this person has been has been showed onto the ground stating that your position might be this one. And all of these things are very sick attitude of the world that I really hate about, you know. You don't have to do good to someone At least don't do bad to them. You don't have to bring a person from a small town and bring him to such star position. He will become a star by himself. At least don't try to hamper the growth of someone who has lot of desires. You really don't know how exactly your words that are said out of some fun or anything would trigger a person. Even today I feel like even at least if there was 1% of chance also wherein Sushant took such extreme step because of the exploitation that he went through, or because of the bad or the ill treatment that he went through, I feel that it's not a suicide, yeah. It's a pre-planned murder itself. And people, I'm telling you, this is a cruel world. This is a cruel world. Don't even expect your friends to show some sympathy, empathy onto you. No. All I want you people to understand is, guys, life is very simple. It's often we who complicate the things. Relationship failure is not an end of your life. You can wait for someone whom you deserve better. You don't have to stress much on a job that can replace you in a day or two. Today I find many people posting such status like, if you go through any particular bad days or anything, just talk to me and all of that. Do you think a star who had millions of followers did not had even a single person to speak about? No. Even if you talk today, let's take an example that I'm going through a lot of pain now. I speak to my friend. That can make me better for a day, for a week or anything. But after that, the ideas of those things still start haunting me until and unless I don't settle the things within myself. You don't have to wait for someone that you start sharing your things with them and those people give you some ideologies on the all, because at the end of the day it's you who is going to fight with your mind, make your heart listen to it. It's you who is going to fight with your heart and make your mind listen to it. All of this is something, there are certain people who always keep their secret sorrows within themselves, just like me. I went through very bad stage of my life, and that is the first time where I got hit with some bad experience that I will never forget in my life. When I tell I'll never forget, it's not that I keep regretting it all my life. The thing is, there should be certain things which you should never forget, because those things make you learn something good in life so that you won't repeat the same mistake. And this particular bad phase of my life was because of the two bad friendships that I did. And the thing is, I was into a position where there are two people who were talking against me, and the thing is, when I said, yes, you said this, and those people were like, no, we never said it. 2 and 1, you cannot pair that comparison of two people, and you cannot fight with two people with your points. That is what was my situation. Even if I was good, even if I was 100% correct, I could not put it across. And the only thing that I kept in my mind and that was repeating in my mind was, girl, you are a fighter. Do you think that you have to deal with these people who are just confused among themselves? And do you think that you have to deal with someone who don't get a chance of regretting? I mean, like, after that, it's been 2 years till now, and I saw these people trying to come back, or trying to tell like as if they are accepting their mistake. And do you think that I'll give a damn about it? No, never. And this is what, all these things are something, though I may never forget that particular phase of life, but the thing is, I won't regret it. This is how your life should be, guys. And the thing is, whenever you feel low, you don't need to have your friends telling them, because your friends might be busy sorting their problems itself, and it's not their fault. Because every time if you start reaching out to people for your own problems, then at some point of time your friends might also start thinking like, अरे कितना भी बोलो इसको यही समझ में आता है. And you don't have to go through that extreme low level in order to fight with your own things. All I would like to tell you people is, keep yourself the first priority. Love yourself more than anyone, and understand and live in the present. You can regret about the things that happened in the past, but don't carry that regrets throughout your complete day, so that it will ruin your day, it will ruin your future and all. You can love many things, but all those things that you love cannot be in your life, guys. It cannot be, And the thing is, if you are failing in one phase of life, that doesn't mean that you are a failure. You can try 99 other things. And I'm sure that among those 99, even if you succeed in one particular thing, still you are a successful person in your own life. And one more main thing, I want you people to mark these words. Don't think about the society. Society talks if you do good, society is going to talk if you do bad, society is going to talk even if you don't do anything, society is also going to talk when you do many things, and this society is not going to feed you. Just think about your parents, make sure that you can face off them, and don't make yourself into a thing that acha society kya bolega, because the thing is these people are always there, these people will always be there. Fuck them and do whatever you would like to do, and at the end of the day just understand this is a very small life. Enjoy every moment of to it and don't take such extreme steps of ending your life, guys. That is really bad, you know. Wait for the death to arrive, don't go behind it, you know. Today I seriously feel like what if Sushant would not have took such an extreme step, you know, it would be a better option for him. He would have brought many different changes into the society. He had 15 such things in his bucket list which you or I don't have. All of them, very few are for his own things and many are for the society, you know. Even if maybe he might think that he's a failure in himself, but he would have brought many other people to such an extreme step where those people wouldn't have failed in life. And you know, it's such a failure, not for him, but it's such a failure for the industry that there were no one and these people try to hamper his growth and all, you know. Life is very short, and again I'm telling you, don't try to bring other people down and don't try to hamper someone's growth, guys. It's very much bad, and tomorrow maybe you may also come to that position. Maybe then you will realize what exactly the pain is and why exactly a person takes such an extreme step. But I want you people to fight back for the life, and everyone here is a fighter, you know. Even if you tell me that all of my life went through so many problems, all of my life I have struggled hard, still if you are fighting today, you are a fighter for me, and you are the rock star of your life. Be the rock star of your own life and do not care about the society. Live in the present moment. More than anything, just love yourself. There are many soldiers out there sacrificing their lives for our well-being, and in this particular country we find the suicide rates increasing to a greater extent, and all of that is because some of the provoking nature that is in the society, which makes the other person go through a lot of trauma, depression and all of that. And even if we lose a single life out of it, then the other person will not be less than a terrorist for him. And I wish the innocent soul to be rested in peace, and I hope he's at a good place today and he's far away from this cruel world. And I wish everyone to just love and spread peace.